To activate ringtone volume down with pointer stop in top left corner Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, open settings, web dan notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility, select interaction and dexterity, scroll down the screen, and then tap auto action after pointer stops. Next, on corner actions, tap top left, and then on ringtone volume down, tap switch until blue to activate, and then to deactivate, tap switch until gray. Okay, now if you activate, you can use your pointer, and in top left corner you can find ringtone volume down. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.